Exercise 28. On Earth Day this year, a young oak tree was planted. A botanist predicts that the tree's height on Earth Day next year will have increased 140% of its height when it was planted. If age represents the tree's height when planted, so originally the tree was age, which of the following represents the botanist's predicted height of the tree next year? So it will increase by 140%. Remember that if x is increased, let's not make it x, if quantity A is increased by x%, then this means that A is multiplied by 100 plus x over 100. And this comes directly from theory. So in this particular case, since h will increase by 140%, this means that h will multiply with 140 plus 100 and all that over 100, over 100, which is the same as 240 over 100, which is the same as 2.4. So the oak's height next year will be equal to 2.4 times h, which makes C the right answer for this specific question.